This is a high income skill, and we are in the creator economy and it's not going away. Loads and loads of people are jumping on this train. This is a river that will never run dry. And if you can position yourself as someone who does this properly, you will not run out of clients. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 social media virtual assistant services that you can offer as a beginner, even if you don't have a resume or your portfolio is currently blank. Number 3 is a high income skill at the moment. Why social media services Mfon today? Because right now there are over 200 million creators and millions of small businesses fighting for attention, and they are failing at one thing: staying consistent. Take it from me as a creator as well, it's hard. Now, you don't have to be an expert on social media or an expert on the services I'm going to share with you. You just need to be one step ahead of the business owner who is too busy to learn how to do it, or who knows how to do it but too busy to do it themselves. They want to focus on working on the business and not in the business. A social media virtual assistant is basically someone who helps businesses, individuals, personal brands manage their online presence, period. So now the first service I have to share with you is social media scheduling and batching. This is one of the most in-demand services because it frees up time for businesses, for personal brands, for founders. You're going to be helping them upload pre-approved posts, draft captions, add hashtags, and schedule content using tools like Meta Business Suite, Hotsuite, Buffer, Later, whatever scheduling tool they use, or you recommend one for them. Now, if you are someone that doesn't know how to use these scheduling tools and you would like me to make a video on it, comment scheduling tools in the comment section and I'm going to make that video next. Because one of the skills required for this particular service is that you are able to use these scheduling tools. You need to know how to prompt. You need to know how to write in the creator's or business owner's voice. Now, moving on to the next service I have to share with you that you can offer as a social media virtual assistant is basic content creation using Canva. What does this mean? You are going to be helping business owners to create single posts, quote posts, carousels. You can even create reels inside Canva. You can also help YouTubers to create thumbnails. I have so many emails I can share with you where freelancers are sending me emails to help me create my thumbnails, though I create my thumbnails myself. You can help YouTubers do this using Canva, and you can use Canva for free. You don't even need to have the paid version to use Canva to create thumbnails. Now, the next service that I have to share with you, I told you earlier, it's a high income skill and I'm so excited to share it with you, is content repurposing. This is a niche, or this is a service like I am so crazy about, and I don't see people offering this service. I even added it to my program that I'm creating, the Digital Neighbor Academy. The link to join the waitlist is in the description and in the pinned comment. Okay, I am so excited about this. Basically, you turning a long form content into bytes, period. For instance, a YouTuber, just like myself, I create this long form content now. You come in as the content repurposer. I just came up with that name. Let's stick with it. And you watch the video, you cut this long form video into bytes, into reels, short form content for Instagram, for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts. Not just that, you can still turn this particular long form content into carousels. You can still turn this particular long form content into newsletter blast. You can turn this long form content into X thread, Twitter threads. You can turn this long form content into threads like thread, Instagram, Meta threads. Yeah, one piece of content. And this is not just limited to long form video content. You can also do this for podcasts. You can do this for long blogs, just basically helping the creator cut this long form pieces. Instead of wasting it, it's not waste. Instead of just keeping this masterpiece in one place, you help them be visible in other platforms, because it's really hard coming up with content ideas every single time for each of these platforms. This is a high income skill, and we are in the creator economy and it's not going away. Loads and loads of people are jumping on this train, and this is a river that will never run dry. And if you can position yourself as someone who does this properly, you will not run out of clients. Hi neighbor, I just want to let you know that you can now join the waitlist for the Digital Neighbor Academy. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Why should you join? So you get first-hand information on what's going on about the program. Also, you can get information about the discount, the bonuses that's going to be available for people in the wait list. I can't wait to see you inside. So let's head back to the video. Now, the next service I have to share with you that you can offer as a social media virtual assistant, even as a beginner, is platform setup and optimization. Many businesses have outdated profiles, incomplete profiles, and aside that, personal branding or personal brand is like the new money right now. Everyone is trying to build a personal brand. You can help businesses or personal brands create new pages or optimize their existing page. This is one of the ways I was making money online in 2022. This is one of the things I was doing as a freelancer. Update their bio, write their about, write everything about them in their voice. Now, this is why I often say you don't need to go to ChatGPT and copy and dump. You need to write in the person's voice, because I have done this. This is something I did even before AI. This is something I used to do. So I wonder why people cannot sit down and think for themselves. Seriously, you can do this as a service. You can offer this as a service. Moving on to the next service I have to share with you that you can offer as a virtual assistant or as a social media virtual assistant is Pinterest management. For serious business owners, they don't just want likes. They don't want vanity metrics. Is not their drive. They want traffic to their offers, to their website, to their blog post, or to their product. This is where Pinterest comes in, right? Because Pinterest is not just this beautiful, aesthetically pleasing platform where you go to check for inspiration. Business owners are using Pinterest to drive traffic. Business owners are using Pinterest to drive traffic to their offers. And in this video, I covered everything about Pinterest management. So if this is something that you're interested in, check out that video, neighbor. Okay. Now, before we move to the next service that you can offer as a social media virtual assistant, I need you to drop a comment for me, so I'll know where you're watching me from. Say, neighbor, I am watching you from ABC, okay? I want to know where my digital neighbors are watching me from, and like this video, okay? So it can reach a wider audience. Also confirm again if you're subscribed to the channel, okay? So the next service is influencer and brand outreach. What does this mean? You're basically going to be helping influencers, creators, do their outreach for them. You're going to be researching about the people they would like to work with, and then you send personalized messages to these brands on their behalf for collaboration. That's it. Next up is community engagement. Now, this is not even limited to Instagram. That's replying comments and all of that. You can do this as well in their Telegram groups, their WhatsApp group, wherever they are building their community. You can help keep the community engaged. Now, I've shared with you these services, but I've not shared with you how you can get clients for these services, which is why you need to watch this video next. I covered step by step the strategies that you're going to apply to get your very first client online as a beginner, even if you're starting from zero, nothing. And as always, have a lovely day, have a lovely week, have a lovely month. Bye, neighbor. I'll see you in this video.